Hey gang, Tailgates and Toolboxes back. I actually have an unboxing. This is actually a tool review. Okay, what we have today is I got these from eBay. Bear me one second. These are Stubby flex head wrench set. 5-piece set, the double box ended. One set is SAE and the other is Metric, and we're gonna unbox them together. The Metric, I paid shipping to my door $40.77 with free shipping. The SAE, I paid $44.48 with free shipping. Yes, you notice they're in Amazon bags, but I ordered them off of eBay. They must have like multiple platform accounts. These are actually no-name brand tools. We'll look at it together, but I didn't see any like specific tool name on it, like Craftsman or Husky. We'll look at it together. I just happened to come across these looking for tools on eBay, scrolling, and both of these, like, there's a lot of sellers selling these. They sold a lot of them, so how bad could they be, you know? All right, so this might be a little bit longer than normal video, but we'll get through it together. So let's open this one first. We have the plain inconspicuous box. Stubby wrench set, SAE, made in China, new. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. I actually thought these were going to be bigger than they were, but that's all right. All right. We don't need that. Plastic. Yeah. Like you guys know, I'm like kind of a sucker for tools. I love tools. Okay, so right off the bat, you have like this nylon pouch with grommets. Guess you can hang it up. It's got a Velcro strap. There we go. There we go. Velcro strap. Here's the 5-piece set. Let's take one out. The double boxed end, flex head. So I imagine, you know, these would probably be good if you're getting into like something like with a tight place. I believe these are 72 tooth. And they are no name brand. So obviously there's no, they're no name brand. So obviously there's probably no warranty on them. But like I said, the listing, they sold a lot of sets on eBay. So that's the, like, this one's the double box end. So it's kind of hard to read, but this one says, this is kind of hard to read, but this is 1/2 inch and this is 9/16. So I wish the pouches were marked. Let's open up the I'm gonna open up the Metric and give that a look. That one had peanuts. I'm gonna clean this up so Bella don't eat them. Miss Bella is somewhere around. All right. So this one is Metric, same box. This one's a little bit beat up, but like I said, these were two different sellers, but these can easily be found on eBay. Okay, let me see what this says. It says mini double flex set, made in China. Yeah. Okay. Again, the Velcro strap. Let's wrap up the SAE. These are metric 5-piece set. It's a 5-piece set. You're actually getting 10 wrenches. Let me correct myself on that. So, flex head. I don't know if you can see it. This one's 14. I wish the, and this one's 15. I wish the numbers were bigger. I wish the numbers were bigger, but like I said, they're flex head. So, it's not bad. These ones, that one, this one almost feels like it's got like a little bit coating of oil. I don't know. But like I said, they're 72 tooth. See the back drag? Yeah. Alright. Like I said, I use them in a light application. Let's compare them to a stubby. So yeah, we'll put this back. Hold on a second. Whip back to SAE again. So it's, hold on, we should have 3/4 in here. Yeah, okay. This top is a 3/4. This is a 3/4 Husky ratchet and stubby. So it's almost the same size as the Husky. It's a hair off, so it's basically, it's a stubby, obviously it's a stubby wrench, but you're getting 2 ends on it. So not bad. Okay, I got some let's see, we got another stubby to compare it to. Which one is this? 9/16, which I think I just had. This is 9/16. Yeah. This is 9/16. Sorry. Yeah, it's a little shorter than our standard standard stubby. Like I said, you're getting both sides. So, not bad, not bad. So, alright. So I got some hardware here. So let's feel the fit and finish. So I got this bolt. I believe this is probably going to be, this is going to be a 3/4. It is really good. I'm going to hold this with my hands. You do, I know this is like a mock-up, but you kind of do, turning the tool, you do feel the weight of the wrench. It does have weight to it. I mean you could hold it like this, but now you got the flexibility in your hands. Like I said, this would probably be good if you were in a tight space and you had to get behind and just to loosen it up. That's probably what these would probably be good for. I wouldn't throw a lot of torque on these. Definitely would not throw a lot of torque on these. What else do we have? We have a fender bolt. Let me see. There you go. Fender bolt, and this is 9/16 again. This is from an old Chevy pickup I had. I mean, if you had to like, yeah, so I'm just turning it with my hand as a mock simulation. but it's not bad. It's like, not bad. Not bad. It fits the fastener good. So, like I said, this is almost like, I mean, I would not put a, like, I'd rather put a more, maybe a little bit more torque on this, but I wouldn't throw a lot of torque on this. Like I said, this is just if you were doing a bolt and like you were behind something to loosen up a bolt, to loosen up a nut or something, and you're in a tight area, you can get to it. But like I said, the flex, this is a little the flexibility is a little bit of turn off, because you can feel it flex in your hands. It's like you have more stability with a regular stubby wrench. So, I mean, overall they're not bad. Like I said, just to probably be good to help you in tight spaces. So, it's not bad. So, like I said, just to help you in tight spaces. So, this was the SAE, and you have 10 sizes here, and you have 10 sizes there, and I could tell you the sizes. Hold on one second. Let's see. Hold on, I'm gonna read the description. Hold on one second. All right, just bear with me. Okay, on the millimeters, I'm reading the description. They're you have 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 15 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and 19 millimeter. I don't know why they jumped it like that. The smallest wrench, the 8 and the 10, is 3.1 inches. And the biggest is 4.6. So that's on the SAE side. On the metric, metric, I'm sorry, that's the metric. The, hold on one second. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. On the SAE, you have same thing. The shortest wrench is 3.1 inches and the biggest is 4.6 inches. You have 1/4 inch to 3/8, 5/16 to 7/16, 1/2 inch to 9/16, 5/8 to 11/16, and 3/4 to 13/16. So those are the wrench sizes for the SAE. Like I said, this is they roll up. You got a Velcro strap. $40, I kind of think, for with no lifetime warranty and a no name brand. I think that's kind of maybe a little bit expensive. The pouch is nice. I wish the my only gripes are, I wish these were marked with the sizes, right? Because they're not. Nope, they're not marked. And the printing of the numbers on the wrench, I wish they were bigger. And like I said, they're no name brand. And like I said, the only thing is, it's good to hold, but you still have that flexibility in your hand. So like I said, these were the, Bella's trying to help. These are, come on, Bella, you coming up? She's down there. Bella, you coming up? Come on. There she is. You see, is. Like I said, if you're in a tight spot, you're taking off a nut, I'd probably use it for that. Come on, Bella. There you go. There you go, baby. Yep, see, she's inspecting the tools. I'd use that in a tight spot, but I probably wouldn't put a lot of torque on these. Like I said, they're 72 tooth. So, I mean, they're good to have an option in your toolbox. But I don't know about spending $40 on them each set. If anybody has purchased these and used them, let me know, because I'm going to throw these in my rotation. Let me know how you like them. If they broke or anything, let me know. I'm just curious. Anything happens, I'll give you guys an update. But I don't know. I'm not holding my breath on these. You know, they may turn out to be good. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know. If they fail, I wouldn't be surprised. But like I said, these are no-name brands, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the little bit longer video, but I'm sure you guys are happy. Bella's here now, right? She's inspecting the tools. I think she wants treats. Yes, so I think she wants treats. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.